I need to make this video for one reason and one reason only. To expose these predatory cash generating, whatever you want to call it, apps where all you got to do is supposedly play a game and you win money. It doesn't work. It's not real. It's not true. It's a lie. You can use Game Guardian, this right here, to find that out by testing each and every one of these apps. You will find that the values of these games can easily be edited using Game Guardian to just about anything you want them to be. The max amount of coins so you can so-called cash out, right? So let's try Jackpot Cash. Now, you would, think, why would a game like this be so easily manipulated, and you could cheat so easily in it if you win real cash? So yeah. Oh, I won 10 cents. Okay. I'm just waiting for the coins to roll in. And oh, what a big win. I feel so lucky. All right, let's see how lucky I am. 3,500. I think it's usually the first one, biggest one rather. 3,500. So I'm typing in the value that I see on the screen in the app through Game Guardian, searching for it after it pops up on the screen, and give it a second. Usually auto takes a little longer. All right. So now I want to change that value. All right. So now it's 4,000. Wait, hold up. What was that? Fever mode? Oh boy. Hold up. Don't change that. Alright. So, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please. Yes. Nope. I don't care. I don't know what the hell that really is, but we'll see. I just want this to be over with. Alright, thank you. Now that ridiculous chaos has ended, you can just cash out, and you will notice that you will not get any money no matter what you cash out with. It's not going to work. Then you need a whole 1,000 gabillion chips or coins or whatever the fuck. Excuse my French. I mean, basically, you'll get more money blowing somebody off on the corner in 1 minute than you would 10 hours playing this game. In fact, 1,000 hours. Dollars, you need... It's just nonsense. Thank you for watching. Do not play these games. It's a waste of time. And they're all fake. I promise you that. They're all fake, or you'll be spending many hours trying to get to a value that is impossible to reach.